Today I'm giving you 7 reasons why I sold all my Ethereum to buy ICP. I've been studying ETH and ICP for years now, literally from their launch, as I've been in crypto for almost 10 years. So dumping Ethereum for the internet computer was a very thoughtful decision for me, and I'm sure you can also profit by doing the same. That's why I'm sharing this with you. ICP is poised to 100x in the next few years and outperform Ethereum, as it has at least 80 times more upside potential than ETH. And this is just one reason why you should also sell your Ethereum to buy ICP. So if you want to know the other 6 reasons, make sure to stick to the end, like and subscribe for more content like this one, and let's get started. The first reason why I sold all my Ethereum to buy ICP is that, as I mentioned before, ICP has much higher upside potential. As we can see here on this chart, ICP has a market cap of $5 billion, while Ethereum has a market cap of $400 million. This means that ICP has at least 80 times more upside potential than Ethereum. As I'm going to show you later, and as I showed you multiple times in my previous videos, ICP's adoption is growing very fast, and its technology is totally revolutionary. ICP is capable of doing things that other blockchains could only dream about. However, the growth that ICP is witnessing is not yet reflected in the price of the token. That's why I say that ICP is undervalued, and today we have a great opportunity to buy ICP tokens at such low prices. The second reason why I sold all my Ethereum to buy ICP is that ICP is way more scalable than Ethereum, and it doesn't need any layer 2 in order to scale, because we know layer 2s can undermine security, and ICP is capable of processing 6,000 transactions per second in the real world today without the need of a layer 2. No other blockchain is capable of processing such a huge amount of transactions per second in real life today. XRP, for example, claimed that it was able to scale to 1,500 transactions per second, on par with Visa's transactions per second, although the CTO admitted last year that XRP never actually hit that figure. Solana instead claims that it can handle 65,000 transactions per second, but that's only in benchmark testing. In reality, Solana is actually processing only 3,000 transactions per second, which is half of the transactions that ICP is processing. So as of today, only ICP can beat Visa and MasterCard in terms of transactions per second. The third reason why I sold all my Ethereum to buy ICP is that the most active DAO in the whole crypto industry in terms of number of proposals is not an Ethereum DAO, but an ICP DAO, the network nervous system, while the fourth most active DAO is OpenChat and the number 5 is WaterNeuron, 3 ICP DAOs among the top 10 most active DAOs in the whole crypto industry. And this is thanks to the ICP team, which is one of the biggest research and development teams in the whole crypto industry. It boasts 1,600 employee publications, over 100,000 citations, and over 250 patents. The reason number 4 why I sold all my Ethereum to buy ICP is that ICP can support AI, Ethereum cannot. I showed the AI capabilities of ICP multiple times in my previous videos, so I won't go through that in this episode. But if you didn't see those videos, you should definitely check them out. I will attach them somewhere here, and there I show you image classification and facial recognition models running fully on-chain on the ICP blockchain. Many blockchains tried to support AI, but no one succeeded except ICP, because only ICP is so scalable to achieve AI models running fully on-chain. And this is extremely important because we all understand that AI is a very powerful tool, but also very dangerous. Even Elon Musk stated that AI could be one of the biggest threats to humanity. So decentralization and AI governance are becoming hot topics, and only ICP can run a truly decentralized AI today. The reason number 5 why I sold my Ethereum to buy ICP is that on ICP you can build applications that run 100% on-chain, while on Ethereum you cannot. OpenChat, for example, is a fully featured chat application running end-to-end on the Internet Computer blockchain. It stores all users' data on-chain and it's governed by its community as a DAO, so the product roadmap can only be decided, approved, and enacted by the community. In addition, OpenChat is open source, which means that its source code is available to inspect, and so you can verify that there are no vectors and that the code is secure. And it's also scalable because it uses a canister architecture on the Internet Computer. Decentralized applications on Ethereum still rely on centralized hosting services like Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud for certain parts of the application. Most dApps have their websites hosted on centralized hosting services. And if we talk about games, the only decentralized features of Ethereum games is related to the tokens. But when we talk about the game itself and the actual characters, they're also hosted on centralized hosting services like Amazon Web Services. So the only decentralized feature of games like Axie Infinity is the ownership of the tokens that represent the digital assets. On the Internet Computer instead, it is possible to host both the website and the game characters on-chain without relying on centralized hosting services. I showed you how to host your website on the Internet Computer in my previous video, so if you didn't watch it, go check it out. I will attach it somewhere up here. And guys, I also want to show you that on ICP, it is actually possible to build games which are 100% on-chain, and a great example is Dragons. On Dragons, every single part of the game is hosted on-chain on the ICP blockchain. The website, the game, the characters, the NFTs, the images associated with the NFTs, it's everything on-chain on the ICP blockchain without relying on third-party services like Amazon Web Services. This increases decentralization, security, and resilience to censorship and manipulation. By the way guys, talking about big profits, did you know that if you bought Pepe on Ethereum in the early days, you would have made a 40,000% gain? Nowadays, it's too late. You should have entered somewhere here in 2023, so the chances of you making money with Pepe are gone. However, I've been searching for new meme coins with high potential, and I discovered that a few crypto whales like Cameron Winklevoss and Matthew Graham are following a new Solana meme coin called Pepe Meme. And after a deeper research, I noticed that even Jeff Bezos is following this project, and that Elon Musk replied to multiple posts on the Pepe Meme X account. The community around the project is huge, as Pepe Meme counts over 500,000 followers on X, over 50,000 followers on Telegram, and their Telegram game has over 1 million monthly active users, which is impressive. I tried the game, and it's super fun. It's a hyper-casual tap-to-earn game where you can earn airdrops and valuable tokens like Pepe and Doge. Another interesting feature is that Pepe Meme is built on the Solana network. This move not only provided the token with access to lower transaction fees and the high throughput of the network, but also opened up new opportunities for users, such as integration with decentralized applications and games. We have a unique opportunity to enter the Pepe Meme project before it hits the market, purchase it at a very low price, and potentially see massive returns with the backing of a strong community and the support of major whales in the industry. With the right momentum, we could be looking at a 100x or even 1000x gain. In a short period, they raised over $2 million. The token meets all the requirements for listing on Tier 1 exchanges, and some co-founders of Tier 1 exchanges are also following them on Twitter. So guys, if you also want to buy the Pepe Meme token in pre-market, just click on the link in the description, and you will land on the project's official website. Click on Join Pre-Market, then click on Connect, select the wallet you're using, for example MetaMask, and scan the QR code to connect your wallet. Before connecting your wallet, make sure you have enough crypto on your wallet to buy the Pepe Meme token. After you connect your wallet, the process will be straightforward. Just follow the steps on the website. And don't forget that if you buy Pepe Meme today, you will get exclusive bonuses, so make sure to act now. The number 6 reason why I sold my Ethereum to buy ICP is that ICP processes almost 1 million Ethereum equivalent transactions per second, which means that ICP performs around 130 times the amount of computational work of Ethereum per transaction. I explained this concept in my previous video, which you can find somewhere up here. But basically guys, this is the reason why ICP can support AI and run AI models fully on-chain. Running inference on AI models with millions of parameters involves billions of arithmetic operations. This means that in order to support on-chain inference, a blockchain needs capacity to process billions of operations per second. The internet computer can now do that thanks to the achievement of the cyclotron milestone. The reason number 7 why I sold my Ethereum to buy ICP is that there are so many similarities between the early days of Ethereum and the early days of ICP in terms of adoption metrics and growth. I truly believe that ICP can replicate the performances of Ethereum in the next 7 years. As you can see in this chart, ICP today is processing around 30,000 transactions per day, which is the same amount of transactions that Ethereum was processing until 2017. Also, the market cap of ICP today is similar to the market cap of Ethereum in 2017, when it was only $4 billion. But if we look at the TVL of ICP today, we see that it already hit $2 billion in just about 3 years from the launch of the Internet Computer Protocol in 2021. Ethereum's TVL in 2018, 3 years after launch, was only $340,000. So while transactions and market cap are growing slightly at the same pace for the two blockchains, the amount of money that people are logging up on the network is growing so much faster for ICP. Many people criticize ICP and they say that it has not adoption. And I showed you multiple times that this is not true in my previous videos. And today I'm actually showing you that the adoption on ICP today, which is in its early days, is similar to the adoption level of Ethereum in its own early days. So 3 years after launch, ICP has same adoption metrics as Ethereum, but much higher TVL. And while Ethereum already had its run up, because it's already valued at almost $500 billion today, ICP is extremely undervalued, as it is only valued $5 billion today. So guys, now you know all the reasons why I sold all my Ethereum to buy ICP. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, but if you like this content, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next episode.